Eyewitness News is live at 5 in Owensboro. The debate over a Confederate statue goes from the Daviess County Fiscal Courtroom to a judge's courtroom. Lawyers representing the county and the state chapter of the United Daughters of the Confederacy made their case during a hearing this afternoon. Eyewitness News' Mike Pickett is live outside the Judicial Center in Owensboro with a recap. Mike?
Yeah, Shelley, today's hearing is centered around a motion from the attorneys representing the Kentucky chapter of the United Daughters of the Confederacy, where they were asking for a restraining order to be filed so that the statue is kept from being moved by the county until they can figure out who exactly owns that statue. The chapter's lawyer, Nicholas Gates, says his client had made payments when the monument was built in the early 1900s, and that the group during that same time made a partnership with the Daviess County Fiscal Court at the time. Fiscal Court lawyer Mike Lee says the current UDC chapter doesn't own it, claiming the current group was formed in 2019 after the one who was involved in building it was dissolved about 5 decades ago.
There has really not been a debate about ownership, and the county has never claimed ownership until August of 2020, when they've said this is our property.
They claim they are a successor to a previous entity that ceased operations in 1970. That's a period of 49 years.
The current fiscal court decided to move the statue off of the county courthouse grounds last year. 2 museums in Owensboro were recommended by a committee as potential sites. Judge Lisa Jones told lawyers during the hearing today that she is going to be reviewing the evidence, but she did warn him that it could be at least several weeks until she makes a ruling on the motion. Live in Owensboro, Mike Pickett, Eyewitness News.